Alright guys, so the one last thing that we need to do is we need to override one last method, and this is going to kind of piece everything together. We need to go ahead and I'm just going to stick this at the end of the gestures. Give yourself some space and hit Alt Insert, and then we are going to override a method and make sure that you're sorting alphabetically. Actually, you don't need to do that, but it just saves some time. And actually, remember, this is our direct parent, our superclass. Fragment activity is its parent, so it's like our grandparent. Now activity, in here there's a method called where you at on touch event. So click on touch event and then hit OK, and then it says OK. So what you want to do is you want to override this method called onTouchEvent. Now onTouchEvent is the default functionality that gets called whenever a user touches a screen. Now by default, again, this is what occurs. It pretty much just checks for common touches. But what we want to do is we want to say, okay, actually I want you to detect if that touch was a gesture first, and if so, handle it appropriately, which we already did. So in order to do that, above this right here, type the keyword this dot gesture detector dot on touch event, and what we do is we actually just pass in that event that got passed in through here. So again, instead of just detecting whatever it was like normal, what it's going to do is it's going to take that touch event that gets passed in, the finger hits the screen, and it's first going to detect if it was a special type of gesture, like a scroll or a fling or anything like that, and if not, then, you know, continue as you were. So now all we have to do is run this bad boy. Let me check and make sure I don't have any warnings, and let's see if it worked. Alright, so everything is looking good right now. Let me just go ahead and click down. And as you can see, the longer I click, at first it said on single tap confirmed, and if I hold it down it says on long press. Now let me scroll up, and as you can see, no matter if it scrolls up or down, we get on scroll. And if I fling, for example, I'm clicking down, then when I get to the top I'm letting go. Fling, 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 fling. Pretty stinking sweet. This app is awesome as always. The swiper diaper. The swiper diaper. Alright, enough of me singing. I should just like teach something for 2 minutes, then just sing for like 8 minutes. 10-minute video, pure gold. Alright guys, so now we know how to detect gestures. So your next homework assignment, if you can complete it. Now, enough with these like little wimpy assignments. So this is your assignment for now. What I want you to do is I want you to create an interface and have some text. Actually, have some text at the top and have a button on the screen in the middle. Now, I want you to be able to tap that button and have the text change to I got tapped, or I just got tapped. That's better. And also, I want you to have the ability to swipe on the side, and that text changes that way as well. So again, text at the top, button changes it, and swiping changes it as well. And if you want to add, for bonus points, a nice subtle blue background, you can do that as well. But there you go, that is how you use gestures, and that is your next challenge. So let's see if you can complete it. When you do, post it on my forum. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will smell you suckers later.